Welcome to this AI-generated instructional short of developing large language model apps with GitHub Models and Azure AI Foundry. Today, I'll guide you through how to build, customize, and deploy AI-powered applications using cutting-edge tools packed with developer tips and demo insights for real-world impact. Let's dive in and explore the full lifecycle. AI is transforming software development into a continuous infinity loop from planning to production and back. This lifecycle blends stages like plan, code, review, and ship, all accelerated by AI-enhanced tools such as multi-model chat, multi-file edits, and canary deployments. These innovations speed up the journey from idea to production while feeding live insights back into development, creating a seamless and dynamic flow of software innovation. Most organizations are rapidly adopting AI, with 81% planning integration in the next 18 months and about half already building on large language models. Interestingly, 93% are experimenting with multiple models simultaneously, revealing the importance of model diversity. Yet 70% of generative AI experiments remain stuck before production, highlighting a major opportunity. Rapid prototyping, multi-model testing, and customer feedback are key to shrinking this gap and turning AI concepts into live applications. Large language model development differs fundamentally from traditional programming. These models are probabilistic, producing varied outputs rather than deterministic results. Building intelligent apps means iterating prompts constantly to steer model behavior. Unlike coding fixed features, you design agents that evolve and adapt. This requires continuous evaluation, rigorous testing, and security layers to monitor for consistency and prevent malicious inputs disrupting your application. We break AI application development into three phases: design, customize, and manage. Design focuses on experimenting with foundational models and approaches like retrieval-augmented generation to fit business needs. Customize is about refining prompts, switching or fine-tuning models, and optimizing retrieval. Manage covers deployment, monitoring, cost control, governance, and continuous updates. This iterative lifecycle drives improvements and prepares apps for real-world scale. Drawing from GitHub Copilot's evolution, rapid iteration on system prompts is essential. Acceptance rate of code suggestions serves as the main telemetry metric, guiding A/B testing across different models and benchmarks. The pace is astonishing. Models like GPT-4 get integrated within days, replacing months-long release cycles. Because each model behaves uniquely, prompts are customized per model, illustrating the complexity behind delivering timely, effective AI-powered code completions. Rapid prototyping is critical for AI success. You need to iterate on prompts, models, and data sets without waiting on slow provisioning. Meanwhile, security remains paramount. Your input surface is broad and unpredictable, from chats to code snippets. Protecting against prompt injection and malicious inputs requires infrastructure built for adversarial thinking. Responsible development calls for frictionless, secure environments that enable smooth AI adoption at scale. Introducing GitHub Models, which embeds AI development natively into GitHub workflows. A new Models tab lets you experiment with prompts as code, collaborate, and extend AI across commits, pull requests, and automated GitHub actions. You get seamless access to curated Azure AI Foundry models without needing separate Azure accounts, lowering barriers for teams to iterate and explore large language models right inside their repos. A demo will detail how to leverage these capabilities effectively. With GitHub Models, guesswork fades. You access over 40 models with a single API key and compare results side by side in your repo. Custom evaluators or LLM judges help you score outputs, accelerating model and prompt selection. Integration with Python and Azure AI Inference SDK enables easy project connection and automation through GitHub Actions. This platform runs securely on trusted infrastructure, keeping data private and giving organizations control over model access. Coming demos will show how to transform experimentation into production-ready applications. The AI development lifecycle unfolds in three stages: design, customize, and manage. Design begins with hypothesis-driven experimentation, selecting models that align with business goals. Customize focuses on tuning prompts, fine-tuning models, and robust evaluation to prep for deployment. Manage ensures responsible operation through monitoring, cost management, governance, and content filtering. This cycle iterates continuously, feeding insights back to refine each stage and adapt your AI application for evolving needs. Consider the Copilot Airways Travel Guide, a real-world app where users describe ideal trips and get city recommendations. Behind the scenes, a Next.js TypeScript backend calls an AI model with constraint-based templated prompts to ensure valid destinations. GitHub tokens authenticate via the OpenAI SDK, integrating smoothly with code spaces for seamless dev and testing. Production uses Azure AI Foundry for controlled deployments with model versioning, rate limiting, and filtering, showcasing how a full-stack AI app is built and managed in practice. Azure AI Foundry unifies AI development and deployment with its rich ecosystem. Foundry models offer a wide selection from GitHub and Azure. Foundry agents enable secure, intelligent workflows via features like advanced knowledge retrieval and content safety to prevent misuse. Foundry Observability provides deep monitoring and diagnostics, catching issues early in live apps. It integrates with familiar developer tools like Copilot Studio and Visual Studio while supporting cloud. Local and edge deployment for flexible management. Observability in Azure AI Foundry leverages OpenTelemetry standards, giving developers freedom to choose instrumentation tools and administrators flexibility in analyzing traces and logs. Microsoft contributes heavily to semantic conventions, setting industry-wide best practices for monitoring AI applications. This approach empowers teams to debug, optimize, and maintain AI systems with standardized, open frameworks, supporting diverse operational needs without vendor lock-in. Extending observability to multi-component processing, MCP servers, is crucial as AI workflows grow complex, with large language models connecting to external tools and resources. This visibility lets you monitor and troubleshoot advanced AI pipelines spanning distributed resources. Full insight into MCP servers transforms debugging and operational control, making sophisticated AI orchestration transparent and manageable, a vital capability as applications scale. In the enabling tracing demo, we set up end-to-end telemetry using application insights and OpenTelemetry within a Next.js app. Instrumentation is centralized in a TypeScript file using the traceloop library, configuring telemetry exporters that send data to Azure Monitor or fall back to console output for testing. Key application tasks are annotated to generate detailed trace spans, revealing the execution of user requests, AI interactions, and system components. This granular visibility helps weigh latency trade-offs and ensures confidence for production deployment. The AI development lifecycle is iterative, combining an inner loop of prompt experimentation with a broader loop from design to management. Design focuses on hypotheses and selecting models fitting business contexts. Customize applies techniques like retrieval-augmented generation, prompt engineering, and fine-tuning to tailor behavior. Manage handles deployment, monitoring, governance, and cost control, feeding insights back into development. Adoption of OpenTelemetry and interoperability standards ensures consistent monitoring and ease of integration across diverse models and systems, crucial for agility in a rapidly changing AI landscape. GitHub Models and Azure AI Foundry together span the entire AI app journey. GitHub Models enables rapid prototyping within GitHub's familiar environment, letting you experiment securely with prompts and models. When ready for production, Azure AI Foundry simplifies infrastructure provisioning, adds security controls for prompt protection and version management, and supports scaling with observability and governance. This full-stack approach blends fast iteration with enterprise readiness, empowering you to build with confidence from ideation to live deployment. Currently in preview, GitHub Models offers free usage with plans for flexible upgrades including additional calls and larger models. Support for bringing your own models is upcoming, alongside advanced prompt formats to enable complex scenarios and tighter GitHub integration. Reporting and analytics will enhance insights into usage and performance. Meanwhile, Azure AI Foundry is production-ready and powering numerous real-world applications. The platform is rapidly evolving, promising richer capabilities and broader adoption in AI app development. As you explore GitHub Models in preview, the team actively seeks your feedback via forums and on-site interactions to shape future improvements. For deeper Azure AI Foundry learning, resources like SDKs, documentation, and training workshops are available. These tools provide essential guidance for building and managing AI apps responsibly and at scale, encouraging hands-on exploration beyond this session. Thanks for watching this instructional short. If you want to see complete demos and detailed walkthroughs, be sure to check out the full session. Your feedback is welcome via the evaluation link provided. Enjoy building with AI, and I look forward to seeing what you create.